Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Gojo Saturo in Infinite Craft. Before that, I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Put water on the empty space and add fire to get steam. Put water on the empty space and add wind to get wave. Combine steam and wave to get surf. Then add wave to get surfer. Then add steam to get steamroller. Put water on the empty space and add earth to get plant. Combine steamroller and plant to get pulp. Add water to get juice. Add pulp to get orange. Add juice to get OJ. Put fire on the empty space and add wind to get smoke. Add plant to get incense. Add smoke to get prayer. Add fire to get candle. Add plant to get oxygen. Put water on the empty space and add water to get lake. Put earth on the empty space and add plant to get tree. Add fire to get ash. Add water to get puddle. Put tree on the empty space and add ash to get pencil. Put ash on the empty space and add ash to get stone. Combine stone and puddle to get pudding. Combine pudding and lake to get yellow. Combine yellow and pencil to get squiggle. Put fire on the empty space and add steam to get engine. Add engine to get rocket. Add rocket again to get satellite. Add lake to get Google. Combine Google and squiggle to get G. Combine G and oxygen to get go. Combine Go and JO to get Gojo. Put lake on the empty space and add water to get ocean. Add earth to get island. Add island to get continent. Put earth on the empty space and add earth to get mountain. Combine mountain and continent to get Asia. Add island to get Japan. Add steam to get enemy. Combine enemy and Gojo to get Jujutsu Kaisen. Then add Gojo to get Gojo Saturo. And there you have it. So this is how you can make Gojo Saturo in Infinite Craft. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.